a 2000 Honda Accord V6. It's got a oil leak, pretty big one too, especially when the motor's on. Well, it only leaks when the motor's on. And my dad's been having to put oil in every time he drives because it loses so much that the oil pressure light comes on. But I think the leak is coming from the oil filter housing gasket. So you see this is the oil filter. This whole assembly is the housing. It's held on by 3 bolts. That's 1. Right there, that's 2. Down here is 3. And then you have one that's one's the old VTEC pressure or VTEC solenoid. I think that's this bigger one. And I forgot what this is, maybe oil pressure. I forgot what this is, but to take it off, of course, you gotta unplug it. And that top one connects up there. I'm not sure you can see it, but I pulled the plug off. That's one, and then this one's right here. After that, I should be able to pull everything off. This is what it looks like, the whole housing. And like I said, held on only by 3 bolts. Pulls off real easily. Car-wise, that's the gasket. The old one, and you can tell it's busted right there, so definitely no good. The new one, this is the part number. I'm also gonna go ahead and replace the solenoid base of the VTEC solenoid. That's the part number for it. That's what it looks like, and that's this right here. I didn't get the O-ring for this. I might go ahead and do that now. Just run to the parts store, so that way everything on this is nice and fresh. But yeah.